Hello, foodies. Let's make a delicious mushroom recipe. On this channel, we post tasty videos just like this one. If you are new, consider subscribing. You can check all the ingredient list in the description box below. Take 1 cup fresh mushrooms, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon gram flour and mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Deep fry the mushroom marinade in hot oil. Cook on medium flame till they turn crisp and gets cooked. Once cooked, we will set aside and start making the sauce. In a non-stick pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 chopped onion and saute them. Add some crushed garlic, curry leaves. This adds good flavor and aroma to the dish. Add the deep fried mushrooms and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon salt, red chili powder and mix well. Add some pepper and mix well. Add some water. Add some chana masala. Add fresh cilantro. Toss well to coat all the pieces. Serve it warm with some salad or even white rice. We hope you try this amazing recipe.